Alright, here's a 1080p 2 of 2 of Casablanca, Panama. Here's and updates with commentary. Ooh, paint is coming off of this blade. I'll bring the camera over a little closer so you can see this blade. This blade's kind of chipped, but it has tape on it, so why not? Blades are a little out of shape on this one. Anyway, so here's 2 of 2. Here's some updates. I haven't been filming videos for a while, so this one my iPhone 7 would be recharged. So anyway, so here's this law. One of the blades has been out of shape on this one. Well, I filmed the fans at Canopy. And those are posted in July. So anyways, since one says one of the blades kind of bent on this one. So this one won't wobble at all. No, the other one wobbles pretty bad. But one of the blades is this one's wrapped newspaper. I don't know why. Well, it wobbles pretty bad. I think the flywheel might need to be tightened on this one. I tightened the flywheel on the other one. Some wobbles too, but it has a good blade. We already know what the air flows like on this one, on both one of them. We already did on the first one. Oh, I forgot. I was not supposed to have the fluorescents on. They make bad camera lighting. They make bad lighting. We already know what air feels like. One of the C7 bulbs is out. Well, this video has better lighting. Well, last video is the musical edition. And we used the song "We Go Together" from Greece, and with the Four Blades. And we had the lamp off. And that lamp wasn't there, and basically the colored lamp wasn't there, and the spot lamp wasn't there, but the torch was there, and the white lamp was there. But I forgot to turn them on. One of the videos I used the other fan on my camera lighting test, and I turned the light off. Well, I did not run the fan. I just did the light. That's about low. Here it is, medium. Reverse, I know it's gonna wall very bad. Back to forward. Yeah, that's it.